Hi.
My name is Emmy, and this is the story of a dream. Every morning, I wake up before the sun rises. It's still dark outside. The streets are quiet. I brush my teeth, put on my uniform, and catch the 5:30 bus. I work in a shoe factory, 8 hours a day,
Standing.
cutting.
Packing.
My feet hurt. My back hurts. My hands feel tired. But I keep going because I have no choice. After work, I go home. I eat some rice and beans. I take a shower. And I go to bed, hoping that tomorrow will be different. One night, I couldn't sleep. I looked at the ceiling and started to wonder, what would I do if I won $1 million? I smiled, and suddenly, I started to dream with my eyes open. Let's pretend it happened. One normal morning, I wake up and check my phone. There's a message. Congratulations, Emmy. You just won $1 million. At first, I think it's a joke. But no, it's real. I sit on the bed, in shock. I laugh. I cry. I don't know what to do first. I don't go to work that day. I walk around the city, just thinking, my life is about to change forever. The next day, I go to the factory one last time. I walk in and everything feels different. The machines are loud, but I'm calm. My coworkers look at me. Emmy, you look happy today. And I say, smiling, I just came to say goodbye. They're confused. I tell them the truth. I won $1 million. And I'm starting a new life. Some people cheer.
Some don't believe me.
But it doesn't matter. I hug my closest friends and thank my boss for the opportunity. Then I walk out into the sunlight free. I take a taxi to my mom's house. It's small.
Old.
The roof has leaks. The walls are cracked. She opens the door, surprised to see me so early. Emmy, what are you doing here? I look at her and say, Mom, we're going to start over. You don't have to worry anymore. I buy her a new house. Nothing big, but clean, warm, and beautiful. There's a garden, a kitchen she loves, and a bedroom with a big, soft bed. She cries in my arms. It's the first time I've seen her smile like that in years. Then I help my little brother. He wants to go to college, but we never had money for that.
Now?
I pay for everything. He studies engineering, and every time he sends me a message, I feel proud. With my family safe and happy, I decide to do something for me. Something I never thought was possible. I travel. First stop, New York City. Tall buildings, lights, music everywhere. I eat my first real burger there. Then I go to Paris. I see the Eiffel Tower. I sit in a small cafe and drink coffee, just watching people walk by. Next is Japan. I love the quiet streets, the food, the culture. I write in my journal every night. I'm alive. I'm free. And I'm learning so much. Traveling teaches me something that money alone can't. That the world is big, beautiful, and full of stories. After months of travel, I feel ready to come home. But I don't want to go back to my old life. I want to create something new. I remember all those days at the factory. How tired we were. How we dreamed of a place to rest. To talk.
To feel human again.
So I open a coffee shop. A small, cozy cafe. With soft chairs, books on every wall, jazz music playing in the background, and warm cakes that smell like heaven. I name it Emmy's Corner. I hire some of my old coworkers. Now, we work together again. But this time, we laugh more. We feel proud. My cafe becomes a special place. Not just for coffee, but for connection. As time passes, I start to think, what's the point of money if I only use it for myself? So I begin to give back. I help local kids buy books and school uniforms. I support single mothers looking for work. I donate to small charities in my town. Every Friday, we give free coffee and sandwiches to people who are homeless. People say, Emmy, you're so kind. But I always say, I'm just giving what I wish someone gave me.
But now,
Let me tell you the truth. I didn't win $1 million. Not yet. Everything I just told you was a dream.
a wish.
A story I tell myself when I feel tired or hopeless. I still wake up at 5 a.m. I still take the bus to the factory.
My feet still hurt at the end of the day.
But this dream gives me hope. It reminds me that life can change. That one day, maybe, just maybe, something amazing will happen. And if I ever do win $1 million, I already know exactly what I'll do with it. Thanks for listening to my story. Now I want to ask you, what would you do if you won $1 million? Let me know in the comments. And never stop dreaming. Bye for now.